Hi, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will show you how to get really cool effects with cat eye. We're gonna use some colors that I have here, but any cat eye that you have that it's with new formula should work the same way that I'm gonna show you in the video. So if you're interested in, please keep on watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna prepare my tip first. So just gonna buff it. And I'm gonna show you Tiger Eye. This is Tiger Eye Infinity from Crystal Nails, and I'm gonna show you how cool this effect can be. For this you need black color because this particular range works the best on dark colors. It can be navy blue as well, but I think black is the best for this specific range of gel polishes. So this is Tiger Eye Infinity number 4, and like I said, my tip has been prepped. I will take black color and I will apply it on the tip and cure it in a lamp. So very thin layer, just to cover the tip. So with this Tiger Eye you can get few different effects, but I will show you the most wanted one. Well, I can show you a few actually. So first we will cure this in a lamp, and while that is curing I will prepare another tip so I can show you the other version too. Well, it all depends on the magnet that you have. So for Tiger Eye you need to have a magnet. So either it can be a classic magnet such as this one. So I will take actually this part out. Okay, I'm gonna take that magnet out. Or you can have this type of magnet as well. So all depends what magnet do you have. So I will show you how to use two of them, how I use two of them. You can, of course, there is all sorts of different tips and tricks, but I will show you what I do for my clients, what they ask me to do, and what actually you guys asked me to film as well. Okay, so I'm gonna take this Tiger Eye. Shake it, take my tip out, and now it's time to apply the Tiger Eye. So I will apply it on the full tip. Okay, I'm gonna take my magnet, and first I'm gonna do the top. I'm gonna hold my magnet like this. Okay, now I'm gonna do the bottom the same. Okay, and now when you move your magnet, your tip, you can see we get this effect. But if we want to go on the side as well, we can go on the side. So on the side, get on the top. Whoa, my magnet is getting stuck on my pen because there is some. And now we can get this. So cool. So it depends what color of tiger eye you have and how the light hits it. So you can see now it's like pink, now it's blue, purple. But yeah, from this side you see now it's turning pink. So it's really cool. It depends as well like what number. This is from Crystal Nails Tiger Eye Infinity number 4, and I love this color. And when you're happy with this, you put it in a lamp for the full curing time, and then you apply your top coat. It can be matte, it can be shiny, it doesn't really matter, but you can get this super cool effect. But I will show you now as well a different effect. So I will just reapply tiger. And if we hold our magnet, I'll put the magnet back. Okay, so I'll put it back in the case. So if I hold now my magnet this way, you will get a classic tiger eye line. But can you see as well, like there is a purple, blue, and pink. It's super cool. So it really depends like what your client is asking you to do. Then what you can do as well, all sorts. You can just play around, take your magnet and play around. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial how to create super cool effects. So I will do one more time the first one that I showed you. Okay, so again, I'm gonna go here on the bottom, on the side. And you can see now this effect as well. But my favorite was the first one that I showed you. But I love all effects. I think they're so cool. Just take your magnet, move it around, play around with it, and you will get all sorts of effects. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Quick video how to do super fun cat eye designs. This was asked from one of my students, so I hope this helps you. And if you have any suggestions, leave them in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Ciao!